So guys, if you have been following me from day one, you will know that I do well to experience something before I come here to share it. You know, I do not just copy because somebody did this particular video and the video is working for this president. I will just say, oh, let me copy and paste everything. No, I will try it out for myself, and if it works for me, I will come and share, and if it doesn't work, I will still come and share with you guys. And that is why I'm here today, to let you guys know my experience about Restream. Yes, I've been hearing Restream. Oh, you are a YouTuber, you have not started Restream, you are wasting your time. Do you think 4,000 wash hour is child's play? Do you know how many years it will take you? Do you know how many months it will take you to get 4,000 wash hour? Go and do Restream. That is the raining. Guys, the advice was getting too much, you get. So I decided to watch videos about Restream. I watched videos and I also asked questions. Bolo of Lagos, if you are watching this video, I want to say thank you. Bolo of Lagos is one of the persons I talked to about Restream. I told him I want to start doing Restream, and he decided to put me through. He did screen record and sent to me for me to be able to understand it better. And I decided to try doing Restream. The first one I did was like trial and error, you get. So I did this particular Restream. I think it was 1 hour plus. You can't find it on my channel because I have deleted it. So I did this particular, the first one, it was 1 hour plus, something like that. So I got 1 hour from that Restream. Mind you, I did not use all these videos people are using because I do not want a problem on my YouTube channel later. I don't want a situation whereby I now get monetized today and tomorrow YouTube is demonetizing my channel because I use somebody else's video. So I normally avoid using people's video because I do not want any issue of copyright or all those stuff. I don't want it. So I decided to use my video, which did not give me much views because it did not really catch people's attention, you get, but I still went ahead. The first time I did Restream, I got 1 hour. Second time I did, I got 2 hours. And the last one I did, which was on Sunday, I even left my phone at home, like playing, you get. I went to church, I left the phone at home. By the time I came back, it was already 4 hours Restream, you get. So that is 4 hours. When I checked for the minutes I got, it was 4 hours, about 31 minutes, you get. So normally, from all these hours I have been talking about, 4 plus 2, that is 6, plus 1, that is 7, right? So normally I should have 7 wash hour on my YouTube studio, right? Normally if you go to your YouTube studio and you check under the live and you check the engagement, you will see the wash hour and you will see everything there. Even though YouTube have not updated it on your wash hour, you get nothing. It was just 0.0. When I checked for the one that was 1 hour, it was 0.0. I checked for the other one, it was 0.0. I checked for the other 4 hours, it was 0.0. It was not funny. So I decided to stop. Instead of me to be doing that, let me just start showing my face. Because I was already showing my face, like interacting with my audience. I said, okay, I think Restream will be faster for me. Let me give it a try. So it did not work for me. So after I noticed it, I reached out to Bolo of Lagos and I also told him my experience. See what I'm experiencing. I don't understand. Why am I not seeing the wash hour? Why is it not reflecting? So he was just laughing. He said most YouTubers are not saying the truth. That Restream is not really 100%. I don't, you get that kind of thing. So that this our normal live stream we do with the YouTube app is the best. Is the best because tomorrow they might even demonetize your channel if you use on that person's video, or your watch hour might not even count. A lot of things are so attached with Restream that we don't know. So I'm not doing this video to discourage you. In case you want to do Restream, you can go ahead, but I'm just sharing my experience with you. So I had to delete the videos, the 3 videos I did about Restream. I had to delete it and continue with my normal live stream showing my face. I believe this one is much more better for me because by the time I'm done with my normal live stream and I go to my YouTube studio, I normally see the wash hour there complete, you get. So what is the problem? I was asking myself, is there something I did not do right, you get. So guys, if you know you must do Restream, you have to be careful. I saw a YouTuber telling people that they should go to Instagram and search for people's video and use for Restream. All those videos are normally catch attention, you get, and use, but they should make sure that they check if the person is on YouTube. If the person is on YouTube, don't use the video. But if the person is not on YouTube, you can use the video. It's not everybody that is on YouTube that normally update that YouTube stuff on their Instagram. They might be on YouTube, but they will not update it there. Then you now go and use their video, you get monetized, then tomorrow you get demonetized. It doesn't make sense. So you have to be careful. Whatever you are doing on this YouTube street, you have to be careful. Seriously, you have to be careful. So I have decided to follow the right paths, the right way. So make my something that I will do and I will not be worried. You get? So this is my experience about Restream. What is your own experience? Have you tried doing Restream? Did it work for you? If it worked for you, share with us on the comment section. I will be here to read and to listen to your own experience. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.